Hello, my name is Lamar Ellis, and I am the president of Drone Education Services. I am so excited to announce our new project, 500 Flights and Counting. Over the last 9 months, we have taken both exterior and interior photographs and videos of the demolition of an existing residential home in downtown Atlanta to the new construction of a dream house. Over the next 6 months, we're going to share with you over 75 hours of aerial flights and countless hours of ground-based film as we cover everything that goes into the construction of a residential home. Along the way, we will share with you the experiences in dealing with the regulatory, operational, environmental, and man-made issues that were encountered during the project. These are everything from helicopters, birds, neighbors, rain, trees, wind, fog, height, battery charges, SD cards, temporary flight restrictions, crew management, crowd storage, to sharing with you the techniques that goes into capturing some incredible shots. Watch as a new home comes out of the ground with all the artistry and creativity that goes into the construction of an urban residential dream house. We were not going to announce this project unless we were able to complete it, and as of today, the home has been completed. Please join us on this journey and discover how drones can give you a view from a different perspective.